Hey, Dr. Lindsey here. This is a 3-year update on a 65 or 66-year-old full Ironman. I did an Ironman, so I've got the utmost respect for a guy that's older than me who's done several Ironman. And so he came in a number of years ago looking like this. We did 3,000 grafts to the front of his head. He's got relatively fine hairs. And then he looked like this at a year. And then we did a second case to do the middle third and the anterior crown. And he lives now out of state down in Alabama, and he sent this picture in of him and his wife. And he wears a short haircut, can't find his scar, and he continues to do long distance endurance triathlons. What a great result in a phenomenal athlete. If we can help you, give us a call.